Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with another card kit for you. This one is our limited edition holiday tag kit. This kit is full of everything you'll need to create some tags for your gifts for Christmas, and I'm going to start off with a 6x8 stamp set titled Joy for You. So we have some patterns at the right, we have snowflakes and messages in a variety of fonts and sizes, and these are perfect to stamp and add to your tags and even to make some gift cards. We're introducing an exclusive Simon Says Stamp embossing folder, and this is called Holiday Greenery. It's absolutely gorgeous. And how this works is you slide your paper into the embossing folder and you use your die cutting machine with the recommended plates for the thicker 3D folders. So my two samples here, I have embossed the one side so you can see where it is raised. So I would call this embossed. And on my foil piece, I debossed. So the image gets pressed into the foil or your paper for a flatter look, but you still have all that great detail. We're also including another Simon Says Stamp exclusive. This is the Christmas tree tag die and outline. So you get two pieces in one. So you'll just clip that apart with your clippers to separate the pieces if you want to use different colors of cardstock. We've included a variety of tags in this kit. You'll get 28 in total. You'll find some small white ones, small craft ones, even black, larger craft, and even the really nice number 8 white. You can add smaller tags on top of your number 8 tags, or you can also use your embossing folder. It will fit right inside. You'll have a little bit of a hang off on the bottom where it won't emboss, but you can always add some paper to that. So this is a really fun way also to use the embossing folder with your tags. We're including some smaller items for you. I have mine in a pouch so I can keep them all together. You will receive 1 yard of the May Arts natural jute twine, which is always handy for tags. You'll also receive this little Doris wreath, and it has a little red bow and also a hanger at the top. Included in this kit is also a random selection of 2 of the My Mind's Eye Yuletide washi tapes and some smaller tags, 1 in red and 2 in that natural vanilla. The papers for this kit are from Authentique, and it is their Christmas Greetings collection. There are 8 designs in total. You're going to get 2 sheets of each of these, so you're going to get 16 sheets in total. So they are front and back. So the first side you'll see like those little cutout things, and then the back side you'll see the printed paper. So as I flip through these, you can see that it starts to go into a different Christmas theme as we go, and there are some backgrounds also in the middle. I really like these small cutout pieces, so you can add different ones. They have messages, and then they also have the really beautiful vintage themed images. And I've used these on my card when we get to the inspiration part, and I can show you how that all goes together. So this is a great pack for you with 16 sheets in total. You'll also be receiving the Tim Holtz Sticker Book Christmas, and this has an amazing amount of stickers that you can add to your card. So the first few pages are words of Christmas, and then we start getting into those old classic tags and also small stickers. I wanted to peel this up and show you that there's no border around these. These are cut perfectly around that image. And then some postcard sizes that you can add to your cards or even a package. And finally, a sheet of letters so you can create your own words. And if that's not enough, we also have some of the Tim Holtz Vellum, and these are all Christmas. There's so many different types that you can put together. These are also fun to add to your tags as a background paper, or you can also add them to a card as the base of a collage piece, and then you can add some of your smaller tags and stickers on top. Another fun thing you could do is to wrap them around to create a tube and put a flameless candle in the center. Another item that you'll get in your kit is the Ranger Stickles, and this is Joyful Red. It has a multitude of colors in there, mainly gold. And then you're also going to get, finally, 4 sheets of cardstock. I'm going to hold this one up to see if you can see it. This is the Simon Says Stamp Khaki, and it is a wood grain. So hopefully you can see that wood grain as I show it closer. And that is a nice 100-pound cardstock. We also have Schoolhouse Red, Leaf Green, and Soft Navy. So that is our tag kit for the holidays for 2020. And up next, I have some inspiration for you using some of these products. I've started with a number 8 tag, and I've used the embossing folder to do a letterpress, and I've used Simon Says Stamp Fossil ink. I inked up the folder, and then I ran everything through my die cut machine. I also cut up some of those images and mounted those on top, and then added some stickers, and down towards the bottom I added a strip of paper and some washi tape. Debbie Hughes created this gorgeous tag where she white embossed onto craft for the message underneath, and then gold embossed one of her stamped images on vellum on top, and then she added some trimmings of gold. And finally, Callie Person, she used the Tim Holtz vellum and also some of the smaller tags and stickers to create some amazing packaging decor. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our Joy for You limited edition holiday 2020 tag kit. Be sure to visit our blog post, which is linked below, for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.